Hey guys, welcome back. So you may remember several months ago, I made a video about these blue pipe stands that I got at an incredible price, but I needed a couple of more and I got these from Vevor and I want to tell you all about them. So stick around. Okay, right away, what you'll notice is they both are the same height when they're all the way down, and they're both the same height when they're all the way up. They both hold 2,500 pounds, which is the same as any other pipe stand out there. You will notice that the handle on these blue ones is a lot thinner, and the grip looks like it's just dipped in rubber. The Vevor stands are a lot bigger handle, and it has a nice cushion, much larger hand grip to carry them with. One of the other things I like is the Vevor has a clamp down here at the bottom to tighten up the bottom collar where the blue one doesn't. The blue ones, they have like some kind of rivet thing going through all these joints, where the Vevors are bolts with the nylon insert nuts, and you can tighten them up if you think that they're a little bit too loose. You can tighten them or loosen them either way you want. They both have the same washer type adjustment for them, and you know, it's just a washer that holds it up to the height that you want it. All right, so another thing that I want to show you that I'm going to get a close-up of on these blue ones, you can just take this and lift this right out. That might not seem like a big deal until you're trying to, you know, move it, reposition it. You grab this right here and it comes up. This one has a pretty cool locking mechanism where if you want to take this off, you have to adjust this all the way up to get the stand part all the way out, and then this will slide off. And I'm going to show you that. What's good about that is you can just grab it, you know, and it's not going to come out. You know, you can pick up the whole thing like that, where this one, you can't. It just comes all the way out. Okay, again on the blue one, you can just grab this and pull it all the way out. That might have its advantage or might have a disadvantage. I'm not sure. But on the Vevor, look, it's got these little things that come down, and it grabs this little ring right here. And you can see that doesn't come up. It doesn't come out on its own. You can get these off. You've got to spin this to get the V-head all the way off, and then you can just slide this off of this little lip right here. But this lip, I was really surprised when I saw that on there, because I like that. I don't like where this just lifts off. That, again, that might not seem like a big deal to you, but when you're using it and you just need to reposition it, or you want to carry it, you can just grab this by the head or by the knobs here and tote it away. They also, let me get this down to show you. The heads, you get these turned all the way down. The heads are the same thickness. It's about 3/8 of an inch. They're both at the same angle. And if you shop around on Amazon, there's several of them that you can get that are like this. And I think Vevor has some too, that come with two ball bearings on them. The ones that are shaped like a ball, so that if you have a pipe on here, you can either slide it back and forth on the stand or you can rotate it on the stand. I'm gonna order some for this one. But this one, what I didn't like is when I was using it with my Evolution saw, when I needed to bring that 20-foot long piece into the saw some more, it pulls the stand back. Where if I had those bearings on here, it could just roll right across and still hold it up. So if you're looking for some pipe stands, you may want to consider the ones that have the little bearings that slide on here and they tighten down, or you can loose them off, take them off, you know, keep them in your truck if you're not using them. They're both, you know, basically, you know, the same. The Vevor diameter seems a little bit higher or bigger than the blue one. Other than that, the Vevors are a little bit heavier. I don't know the exact weight of them right now, but anyway, so I just want to share these with you. I got these for, I bought two more of them for about $52, $54. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can pick them up. Okay, well, I just want to show you my new jack stands. And if you're looking for some jack stands, don't be afraid to get these ones from Vevor. They're the same as those really expensive $200 jacks. They all, you know, rated the same, 2,500 pounds. They all got the same size heads, the same size threads, the same lowered height, the same raised height. And I think the raised height is like 52 or 54 inches, something like that. It's incredible. But anyway, I'm going to leave a description in the, I'm going to leave a link in the description for these Vevor stands. Again, they're about $52 to $56. And at that price, you can afford to buy four, you know, two or four, whatever you need. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.